Are you starting your French language journey and are looking for engaging and accessible resources? Here are 7 downloadable French books for beginners. These books can be found in the Project Gutenberg website, which I will link in the description. Okay, the first one is Les Malheurs de Sophie by Comte de Ségur. Les Malheurs de Sophie provides an excellent foundation for beginners in French. It is a story of a mischievous little girl who often finds herself in trouble due to her adventurous nature. Despite her good intentions, her curiosity and impulsive behaviors lead to a series of misadventures. The book details her experiences, the consequences of her actions, and the lessons she learns on the way. Its simple language and vocabulary aids the learner to understand basic grammar and sentence structure. Okay, the second one is Conte de la Bécasse by Guy de Maupassant. This collection of humorous and sometimes ironic short stories is known for its clear and precise language. The stories are engaging and often come with a moral lesson. The stories use everyday language and dialogue, offering beginners insight to conversational French and common expressions used in various social contexts. Third one on the list is Les Trois Mousquetaires by Alexandre Dumas. This is a story of a young man who travels to Paris to join the King Musketeers and befriends 3 skilled musketeers. Together they embark on a thrilling adventure. This book introduces the learner to a range of vocabulary and provides insight into the French society and culture. The engaging plot also allows learners to practice and improve their reading comprehension. Then the fourth one is Le Petit Nicolas. Le Petit Nicolas is a beloved series of stories narrated by a young man named Nicolas, who shares his everyday adventures with his friends, family, and teachers. Each story is a humorous and light-hearted depiction of the mischief and challenges faced by Nicholas and his friends. The language used is a straightforward one, with stories revolving around everyday situations like school, family life, and friendship, and also offers a window into the French culture, making it an excellent choice for beginners. You can find it online via Open Library website or the Project Gutenberg website, all which I'm going to link in the description. And then finally we have Conte à mes petites amies. This is a collection of short stories written with the intention of entertaining and educating young readers and French language beginners. It is a great resource due to its simple language, engaging short stories, and the moral stories embedded with each tale. It provides an accessible way of learners to practice reading, expand their vocabulary, and gain insights into French culture and literature. The structure of short, manageable stories makes it an ideal choice for those just starting out with French. All in all, French storybooks are an excellent tool of practicing, reading, expanding vocabulary, and immersing oneself in the language. They not only make learning enjoyable and accessible, but they also help learners to build a strong foundation, which is important as you're starting your French language learning journey.